know I want to make it.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Fresco, the capital of R-E-S-H-E-O, dope flower. Top of the line, rhyme mind blower. The rap gets kicked like a roundhouse reverse. Suckers try to battle, but they get their heads burst. Rehearse freestyle, straight from the piles of styles in the files. Long like miles, strong like vials. The cracks in your tripping, dishing on the style. Suckers for flipping. Rappers got a sipping at the seminar. A taste of the way I disputed with a student try to base. They placed third and fourth and lost like the runner-up. Rappers runner up, and so I shut them up and cut them up. Coming up and battered in a grand slam batter, and the foes get splattered on the floor like matter. Scattered around like dust to the ground. Running to their mother's center colors like clowns. Snatching up the mic like a rebound. I float to a sound. Now you're stuck like a knife at the throat. Money got smoked off the stage cause I broke on his drum and his mother and his sucker punk brother. The capitalist no other. Don't want a rap shit. Coming with your rap shit, you might get slap grip. Don't even play yourself and try and come and get some. You're gonna need your voice to move the mic out director. I'm getting them blessed because I flex. I damage a million other rappers and all of them amateurs. Fresco, the mic piper ripper, you done to me. Holding your flex, I'm saying, holy. Leave it up to me, I'm coming off to the jump. I get incredibly hype before these suckers try to bunk me. Try to battle me, I kick a hole in your chest and it's step. Excuse me. Next.
Hey, it's Supple Meme with another bike video. I am riding to the New York Times today, and we're gonna get into a little accident on the way. I'm gonna go check out a labor strike. I'll be taking my usual route Midtown, so Brooklyn Bridge, Church Street, 6th Ave, and I'm going to be taking Greenwich Ave over to 8th, going up 8th Ave all the way to the Times building. The video is cut down to keep it short and sweet, and the music is by Stony Hoop. So enjoy the views and enjoy the sounds.
This is my life, you tuning in just like a TV. Reaping everything that we sow, so now we gleaming. It's only one me, so get used to this. The kid that used to boost the fence is chilling in the booth and shit. Rest in peace, Mac Miller, you had the smoothest hits. Getting high to float on clouds with my Nike kicks. Life is tough, but I'm just trying to make a life of it. I earn my right to make my keep it spit some righteousness. This is it. Everything I thought was curses ain't it. Just brought me to where I am. Get money when you can, but keep you hating ass niggas and bitches away and out of your plans. I couldn't get it with a grand. Had to stack it on my own and leave them vultures right there where they land. This is stories of a man. Yeah, this is stories of a man. Yeah.
That's your fault. That was your fault. What is the paper?
See, this is why popping in and out of the bike lane like that, it's sketchy for that reason right there. My bike's fine. Ow, my arm. See that? There we go at 8.
Lately I could feel the changes. Years come and go, seeing different faces in the souls that I'm passed on. I leave the crib with a mask on, you call it a smile. Rest in peace, Granny Ann, you a piece of me now. Gave birth to my mama, then y'all figured it out. American dream, we seek what is now. Mom Dukes was first generation, but she was teaching us how. I wrote this with my heart broken. Keep it lit, cause the weed got my thoughts open. I'm just praying that your soul's owning. I'm down here switching time zones, wishing I could just hold you. Yeah. Wishing I could just hold you. Eat your food one more time when I come over, and sing along to the music that you play for us. Man, this life shit is crazy. I move my mind to meditate through the hazy. Niggas hate me, or they energy off. But either way, tell them play what they own. You do a show and that's cool, I'll be counting some dope. Making classic rap songs that don't fade with the smoke. It'll play when I'm here, it'll play when I'm gone. That's a legacy I leave while you playing this song. Lead a nest, dropping down, now I fly on my own. Vacate the spot just to clear up my thoughts. I'm forming the most. Grab a journal while I roll up the smoke. Yeah, this is all that I know.